Hey, Milliger fans, I'm sure you are just as excited as we are for January to be over and moving into February,
yes,
right?
Absolutely.
Woohoo! I'm here with Coral. She's our head designer, and she does all of the design workshops, and we have a really fun one coming up. This is for Valentine's Day, which is up and coming. You guys like what we got going on here? So this is what the wreath looks like. And now, if you're brand new, if you've never done anything like this, but you admire it, how hard is this?
This, any class that we teach at Milligers is geared to make the most beautiful thing, but the most simplest way for you guys to do it, and you can do it again at home. So we go through step by step by step, everything we do. You have no problems. You look at something and go, oh, there's no way. Oh, there's a way. There's a way. Trust the process, and we will get you through it that day. We don't let you leave without you being happy.
Yes, everyone's going to have a beautiful Valentine wreath. We guide you through step by. That's why you're here at the class,
That's
right?
That's right.
And so if you don't think that you can do it, I encourage you, come check it out because we have a great team that's going to help you. So this is on Saturday, January 31st, the end of January, moving into February, perfect timing. And so you're going to get to make this and take it, have it all ready to go, and hang it up. And we have this at 10 a.m. at the Racine store, 2 p.m. at the Sturtevant store. I highly recommend, if you're trying to decide which store to go to the Sturtevant one, if you're able to go to that 2 p.m. option. So it's at 10 a.m. at Racine, 2 p.m. at Sturtevant, and we have a little more room and availability there for the Racine one, or for the Sturtevant one.
Yeah, absolutely. What you're going to get when you come in, or what you can expect when you come in, is we hand you a wreath. Let me show you the back side.
So the wreath will just look like, like
so
that.
So it's a tinsel wreath with little hearts already on it. I don't know if you can see, but there's got little tinsel hearts all on it. So you're going to get this wreath, which is a good sized door wreath or wall wreath. And then what we're going to do is we're also going to give you these pre-made bows. We're not going to make you make these little bows. We already have.
They've been working so hard.
Oh yeah. We've made 240 of them, I think, of mixed bows. So you're going to get all the bows you're going to need for this, and you're going to get all these little plastic hearts. See,
all different colors,
all different colored plastic hearts.
Some are shiny.
And then we're gonna have, you can place it however you want. We just give you the kind of this, but some people, they'll take their bows, they'll go all on one side with their bows, and then all their hearts go somewhere else. That's totally up to you. We just give you the guidance, and you do the artwork.
One great thing, like they could lay it out and then wait for teacher approval and then get things glued into place. So if you have a glue gun, definitely bring that. It'll make it a lot smoother. You won't have to wait for a glue gun. I feel like everyone should have a glue gun.
Yeah, right.
They're kind of magical.
Right.
So if you have one, bring it. That'll make it so much easier again, so you're not having to wait to glue your pieces into place on your wreath.
Yep.
But it's super fun. Bring your friends, bring family. This is a great thing to do kind of as a group. I always feel like that. I always love to see groups that are like a mother-daughter or 3 generation, whatever it may be. Come, have a ton of fun, and then look what you're going to make.
Last class we did, we had a first date.
Oh, that is awesome.
Was fun.
This is an awesome Valentine's Day. So treat your loved one. Come and check it out. The details are on our website at milligers.com, or you can stop in at the registers and get your ticket. It's only $41.99 for all the instruction. We get some beverages to help with the creative juices that can get flowing so that you can go home with your creation and hang it on your door immediately.
Absolutely.
So any questions, you can throw it in the comments below. We'll definitely answer those. But there's a lot of information on the website. Coral's an amazing teacher, so she will not let anybody go home with a wreath that they're not happy with.
No. No.
It's going to be great.
It's going to be fun. We always have so much fun at the classes. Can't wait to see you guys. It's
All
going
right.
to be great.
We'll see you next Saturday, January 31st. It's a great way to say goodbye to January and move into February.
Absolutely.